Don't ever try selling your catfish produce yourself on your farm. Make sure you have people assisting you. There are 5 things you must not do when you're about to sell your catfish or when you're selling your catfish. 5 things you must not do when you're about selling your catfish or during your catfish sales. Number one, get your own skill. Do not use your buyer's skill, be it manual, be it digital or analog scale. Do not use their weighing scale to weigh your catfish. Get your own scale. Number two, do not drain your catfish pond water if they have not arrived at your farm. Make sure they are on your farm physically before draining your catfish pond water. I have my own personal reasons for that. Number three, do not use their bath, their bowl to weigh your catfish produce. Get your own permanent bath. Get your own special bath you will be using to weigh your catfish produce. Then number four, don't ever try selling your catfish produce yourself on your farm. Make sure you have people assisting you that day when you're selling your catfish. Make sure you are not only the one present on your farm when you are selling your catfish. Get helping hands, people that would help you supervise your sales. And lastly, don't be a farmer that do not weigh your catfish produce before selling. I on my farm here, if I want to sell my catfish produce, I would have weighed them. I would know at least the weight I'm expecting from a particular pond before selling, so that on my harvest day, when after selling, I'll be sure of the weight I sold that day. You understand? So make sure you weigh your catfish if you can. There are some farmers that use FM pond that might not be convenient for them. But if you're into tarpaulin, concrete, plastic, you can weigh your catfish. You know the exact weight of your produce before selling. You understand? So number one, do not use their scale. Use your own personal scale on the farm. Get your own bow. Don't use your buyer's bow. Number three, make sure you have helping hands on your farm. Don't sell your catfish produce yourself. Have people that will help you monitor sales. Number four, make sure you weigh your catfish produce before your harvest day. At least know the idea of the total weight of the catfish in a particular point. Then, no, then lastly, make sure you don't drain water before your buyers come into your farm. Make sure you see them physically before you start draining your catfish for water. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from today's video. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.